Today we're going to be changing the headlight on my 1999 GMC truck. Keep watching the video, we'll show you how we do that. Hey, what's up guys? It's Jeff Lepard from jefflepard.com, and today we're going to be replacing the headlight on my 1999 GMC truck. So what's happening is the light's obviously not working. I know the electrical's good, so we just have to change the bulb. It's your standard bulb in these older model trucks or cars, and the same thing that I'm doing here will apply to your vehicle if you're using the same bulbs. So two things we need to do. We have to have a Phillips screwdriver and a T15 Torx to remove the headlight. First, we're going to start off by removing the housing with the T15 Torx. So we're going to go ahead and start that right now. There's two screws, top and bottom. So we're just going to go ahead and remove that to access the Phillips screws here without cracking the housing. Okay, so we got the screws out. There's the housing piece. We'll just put this up here. Now we have access to the 4 Phillips screws that are holding the plate and the light in. So there's 4 screws. We're just going to go ahead and remove these. Don't forget to hit the like button on this video. I really appreciate it. Alright, so we got the screws out, 4 screws, and there's the bracket that was holding the light in. So now we just have to disconnect the wire harness, and it's just a plug like so. Don't forget to share our video. Really appreciate that. So this is the bulb. So now we're just gonna go ahead and purchase the new bulb and install the new bulb. Okay, so we just finished purchasing the Sylvania bulb. Now just so you guys know, there's actually a couple different bulbs you can purchase, particularly 2 styles. This one is just your standard brighter light, your kind of orangey color. That's to match the other headlight. Or you can also purchase a brighter white light. That's almost about double the price. So this was about $19.99 at your local Canadian Tire store, and the other one, which was the white light, I think that was about $36, give or take. But I just wanted to match the other headlight. I'm not changing both. I'm just going to use this one. So I'm just going to go ahead and open this up. Okay. There we have it, the same prongs. So same thing, we're just going to do the reverse order. We're going to hook up the harness first. Okay, and that's plugged in. Before we go any further, we're going to test to make sure this light actually is working. So there's no sense of putting everything, installing it, and have to pull it apart. So I'm just going to go ahead and turn the lights on real quick. Okay, so I turned them on. Both headlights are working, so we know that the headlight's good. And we're going to continue installing. Okay, so we're going to install the mounting bracket to secure the headlamp. Okay. Okay, so now that the bracket is holding the light in, we're just going to put the housing back in with the T15 Torx. Put this in place. And if there's anything you want to see me repair or fix, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. Okay guys, so I just put the housing in, everything's secure, nothing's moving. And that's it, the light works. So that's it for this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, bash that bell, turn notifications on for upcoming videos. And we thank you from JeffLepard.com, and we look forward to see you on the next video. Thanks a lot, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.